Hola amigos y amigas, bienvenidos, ¿cómo estáis? Estoy muy bien. Hi friends, welcome to everyone. How are you? I'm very fine. Dear viewers, today I'm gonna teach you about the 12 months of the year in Spanish language. So it is gonna be very interesting lesson for you because you're gonna learning the 12 months of the year in Spanish language. Dear viewers, in my previous video, I have shown you that 7 days of the week. Today you are gonna learning 12 months of the year in Spanish language. So dear viewers, before starting the name of the month, I wanna give you some instruction. Dear viewers, usually we spend our valuable times by gossiping or sometimes by using the social media unnecessarily. But instead of wasting your valuable time, if you learn a language like Spanish language, it will be great opportunity for you to make a good career in future because it will be your extra skill. So my suggestion is that instead of wasting your time, you may learn this language because you know that this language is the official language of the United Nations and there are 21 countries of the world where Spanish is spoken. So if you learn this language, it will be your extra skill and your opportunity will be expanded. So dear viewers, let's get started. Dear viewers, already I have written a caption here, 12 meses del año. That means 12 months of the year. In Spanish language, 12 means 12, meses means months, del of the año, year. 12 meses del año. So, número uno is enero. Enero means January. Enero. Número dos, febrero. I'm telling you the spelling E-N-E-R-O. Enero. This is A in Spanish language. In English it is E, but in Spanish it is A. So E-N-E-R-O. Enero. F-E-B-R-E-R-O. Febrero. Febrero means February. Then Marzo. Marzo means Mars. Marzo. M-A-R-Z-O. Marzo, not Marzo, because this letter name is Zeta and it will be pronounced like so. Marzo. Marzo. Then Abril. Abril. A-B-R-I-L. Abril. This letter name is E. In English it is I, but in Spanish it is E. So A-B-R-I-L. Abril. Then Mayo. Mayo means May. In English it is May, but in Spanish it is Mayo. Mayo. Then Junio. Junio. This letter name is Kota and it will be pronounced like Ka. Ka, not J. In English it is J, but in Spanish it is Kota and it will be pronounced like Ka. So Junio. Junio. Then Julio. Julio means July. Julio. Then Agosto. Agosto means August. Agosto. Very easy to pronounce and very easy to memorize. So dear viewers, nothing to be worried. you are gonna learning the 12 months of the year in Spanish language. Then septiembre, septiembre, September. Then octubre, hence October. And noviembre, not Noviembre, because this letter name is ube and it will be pronounced like bo. There is no bo sound in Spanish language, so it is Noviembre. Noviembre. Then last diciembre. Diciembre. D-I-C-I-E-M-B-R-E. Diciembre. So dear viewers, I am now repeating from the first: enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, not septiembre, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, and diciembre. So dear viewers, I have shown you the 12 months of the year of Spanish language, and I must strongly believe that if you watch my video with your attentive mind, already you have learned how to say the 12 months of Spanish language. So dear viewers, if you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel, and share the video with your friends so that they can get opportunity to know the names of the 12 months of the year. And if you want to know anything, please make a comments below, and if I do any mistake, please make a comments below to recall me. So dear viewers, number 2 with best regards to you and your friends, and love to the youngers. I'll be back soon with another episode. Hasta pronto. Adios.